Good morning from beautiful Appleton, Wisconsin. We're here on Richmond Avenue, main thoroughway, and we found this beautiful little gem. Aurora's Apothecary. It says it's open. Let's go in and see what they're all about.
Well, hello, and welcome to Aurora's Apothecary. How are you today?
I'm quite well. What is all this stuff?
Here at Aurora's Apothecary, we grow our own herbs. We use these herbs to make remedies and body products. We have a great cold and flu line for this time of the year.
Is that elderberry? That's my favorite.
Elderberry has been a big one this year. Everybody seems to be sick. We have our beauty section right over here. We have handmade soaps, an all-natural facial line, wonderful perfumes. We have a blending bar, diffusers, essential oils, and fragrance oils.
Wow, this store is big. What else do they have here? What's going on up here?
We have an excellent classroom up here, a large space where you can take an herb class, you can take a fitness class, or we have this really nice room over here that you can get a psychic reading in, or you can get a massage or Reiki healing. We have many different providers for all these different services.
This is a cool room. Well, hello again.
Hello! Here at Aurora's Apothecary, we don't believe in just the health of the body, we also believe in the health of the spirit. So to increase your spirituality, we have many different gemstones, we have tarot cards so you can see what your future holds. We have excellent jewelry down here and different smudging herbs and incense. We also have our yoga room down here, which is just beautiful and such a good time. Here in our downstairs area, we have some fabulous clothing, including our belly dance apparel for our belly dance students. You can also get your own Aurora's Apothecary apparel right here, and we've got a yoga studio. Let's go. Hello, Megan. How are you today?
Fantastic. Welcome to the Unknown Yogi Yoga Studio. We have classes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Check us out on Facebook because we also have special workshops and restorative sessions as well. Hope to see you soon.
So thanks for taking a tour of Aurora's Apothecary with us today. Our address is 1607 North Richmond Street, and we hope to see you very soon. Have a great day.